Hello explorers, how are you today? We will learn about the habitat of the living beings. Fox lives in burrow. Water buffalo lives in wet grasslands. Bird lives in nest. Rabbit also lives in burrow. Dog lives in kennel. Turtle lives in ocean. Dolphin also lives in ocean. Cow lives in farm. Bee lives in gardens or orchard. Seal lives in ocean coastline. Red panda lives on the trees. Swans live in lake. Ladybug live in vegetation. Crocodile lives in waterhole. Crab lives in sand. Frog lives in water and land. Grasshopper lives in grass. Lizard lives in ground, holes and trees. Bear lives in cave. Snake lives in hole. Spider lives in web. Wasp lives in nest. Ducks also live in lake. Koala lives on tree. Fish lives in ocean. Penguin lives in nature or burrows. Lion lives in den. Mountain goat lives on mountains. Humans lives in houses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.